Hello everybody, Daniel Klingensmith from DPP Manufacturing in lovely Emporia, Kansas. I thought today we'd do something a little different. We'd give you a little tour of our machine shop, kind of run you through the proverbial process at the same time. So, basics of our shop. Like I said, we're located in Kansas. Probably hard to see, but we got lots of snow on the ground right now. Had a little blizzard come through yesterday. It's kind of nice. It's starting to feel like Christmas around here. So materials coming in, they tend to start off raw material, but it all starts with our work packet. Back behind office area, work packets get all filled out, they go out to there. So our humble inspection area there. Most of our stuff doesn't require a lot of inspection, it just has to work perfect. But that's where we keep all of our extra duplicate inspection equipment. We keep full inspection stuff at each work area all the time, and then we'll draw on any specialty stuff we need for any particular job. Now, so here's our lathe work area. We've got two Mianos, a 45, a 60. Then we've got an Amerisiki, pretty big bore Amerisiki, that we do all of our shaft work on. I love the old Mianos. They're great machines. They cut parts to tenths all day long, every day. Back behind is where we keep all of our accessories and what for the lathe area. And then we're always trying to improve, so you know, working on that whole 5S thing, trying to make everything clean and well organized. So at the same time as everything comes through, you know, it'll go to the lathe area and whatnot, but most raw material will start on the old saw. It's our automatic fancy Nancy CNC saw, does all kinds of fancy stuff I don't understand even. Or it'll start out as plate work on our CNC burn table, which is back there. So it'll come in as plate, bar, get run through the lathe area next most of the time, or go over to fabrication and get built. Now our machines, CNC mills that is, we've got 3 CNC mills, all Fadals. I really like Fadals. Really user-friendly control, super easy to work on, not a bunch of proprietary crap on them like there are some of the other makers. You know, these three-man ones, you know, they run 1,000-inch minute rapids and 10,000 RPM spindles. I mean, they haul butt. They run pretty darn quick, and they're a pretty reasonable price. Getting ready to set up some more, keep running today, I should say, some more hydraulic puller nuts. One of the products that we make a lot of stuff that we sell that's related to the kind of work we do. But we got crap loads of stuff to run through the mill area right now. It's a little bit backed up, more so than I like. Our wall of tooling and all the other goodies that we keep back behind our mill area. And you know, although you can do a lot of stuff with CNCs, there is definitely a place, especially in our business, for manuals. And we do still keep some manual machines. We've got a couple of manual lathes. We've got a bigger one. That one's like 3.5-inch through bore, and then a little baby one hiding back behind our little Bridgeport here. They come in really handy with the type of work we do. A lot of times we're doing a repair on something or repairing a bad journal or something. It makes no sense to put that in a CNC. You can toss it up in that manual and be done with it in no time. You know, if you're making 5 of them, of course CNC is going to win. You're making one of them and it's a simple part, you know, manual makes perfect sense for that kind of stuff. Back here is actually our slightly messy hydraulic area. That's what this area is for. All these big black cabinets are where we store all of our hydraulic component parts, our seals, and all that kind of stuff. You know, we rebuild lots of hydraulics. It's another one of those things that I never thought we'd be in the business of rebuilding hydraulics, but it turns out hydraulic supply chains are rather long, and I don't like being in the control of other companies when I'm trying to manufacture something and get it done in 5 days in real short lead time. I don't have the time to be sitting there waiting on other suppliers to get stuff done, so we just bring it in-house. We're firm believers in bringing it in-house. A lot of folks will, you know, tell you the opposite, but for what we do, controlling that supply chain is super important. Our new super quiet screw air compressor, boy, that thing's fancy. I remember when we first turned that on, I was like, is it on? Is it not? Used to the old loud piston pump compressors. Oh, our cute little hydraulic press area. What we do over here largely is assemble chain. That's actually what we're doing right now with it. We're using this 150-ton press to put together this roller chain. We make lots and lots and lots of roller chain. give you an idea, one link's about the size of my hand. And we do a lot of different styles of engineered roller chain, and then we go out and put it in, which is kind of the neat thing. So manual area, chain assembly area, and then here's our weld area. It's actually probably our most congested area. We've got several welders and we try to bounce them around, but when you get 3 welders working in this area, it gets really tight really quick. So we're hoping to be adding on here after we take care of a couple other things. We're hoping to add on to the shop and get our welders out of here and get the burning processes, the plasma processes out of here. All them welders right there got guys to run them, and whew, it gets tight. So, you know, now we're back to the front of the shop, back to our plaza area. The shelves on the front is one of my least favorite parts of the shop. It's where we keep all of our inventory, that kind of stuff. Not a big fan of how it is, not a big fan of how it's laid out, but you know what, you gotta have everything somewhere, so that's where we keep it right now. We'll probably get better. We keep all of our go bags on top. All those have the employees' PPE for field jobs and that kind of stuff in it. So that's the short nickel tour of DPP. We do a whole lot more on the field service side. You know, you can look on social media, you can see some of it, our portable trailers, our portable machining stuff and all whatnot, but this is the machine shop that is our support essentially for our field services side. So hope that sheds a little light on how we do it. If you got any questions, feel free to comment and whatnot below. Thanks.